As the noise of the bustling street filled the air, a small tea seller caught my attention. His humble tea stall, tucked away at the end of the road, offered a refuge from the chaos of the city. With a warm smile and a glint in his eyes, the tea seller and his wife worked together, serving up cups of fragrant, ginger-flavored tea to tired passers-by. The customers, weary from the day's demands, found solace in the simple act of sipping the steaming beverage as the tea worked its magic, relieving headaches and soothing sore throats. The weight of the world seemed to lift from their shoulders. Praise and gratitude poured in, lifting the spirits of the tea seller and his wife. In that small space, a sense of peace and contentment enveloped everyone, offering a moment of respite from the relentless pursuit of success and material wealth. This heartwarming scene serves as a poignant reminder of the beauty found in life's simple pleasures. In our relentless quest for success and fulfillment, we often overlook the joy and tranquility that can be found in the most unassuming moments. Perhaps it's time to pause, to savor the scent of fresh grass, the touch of a gentle breeze, and the genuine happiness that comes from a kind gesture or a shared smile. In a world that often feels overwhelmed by the pressures of modern life, this humble tea seller and his makeshift stall offer a powerful lesson in finding contentment amidst the chaos. It's a reminder that true happiness is not found in the pursuit of material wealth or external validation, but in the small, everyday moments of connection and joy. As we navigate the complexities of our modern world, let's take a cue from the tea seller and his customers. Let's savor the fleeting moments of peace and simplicity and find fulfillment in the ordinary, for it is in these unassuming moments that we may find the greatest source of joy and contentment.